Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video I will show you how to buy Bitcoin in BingX. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel for more amazing content. Now let's start this video without wasting any time. Open BingX, and once you open BingX, tap on deposit or buy crypto. After that, you will see many options through which you can buy Bitcoin. The first one is deposit, second one is P2P trading, and the third one is quick buy. But in most cases, P2P trading and quick buy doesn't offer any Bitcoin services. So if you want to buy Bitcoin, you first have to buy in a particular exchange or the wallet which have services providers for Bitcoin. So I will show you how to do that. Tap on deposit and then over here search for BTC. After searching for BTC, tap on that and then select the deposit network, which is Bitcoin mostly. After that, tap on get address. Now once you do that, we will get the deposit address of Bitcoin. Now we have to open that particular exchange or the wallet which have Bitcoin in it. So now I will open Binance in this case. Okay, now if you want to buy Bitcoin in Binance and want to transfer it to BingX, or you how to do that, tap on add funds over here and then tap on P2P trading. From here you have to select USDT and then tap on Bitcoin. Now you will see many traders which are offering the price for Bitcoin. You have to select any one trader and place the order. Now once you place the order, you have to make the payment. After purchasing, you will receive Bitcoin in your Binance. Now once you receive Bitcoin in your Binance, tap on wallets on the bottom right corner and then tap on withdraw. Again tap on withdraw, tap on search coin and search for BTC or Bitcoin. Tap on that and then you have to choose the first option, which is send via crypto network, and over here we have to paste that address which we copied from BingX. After pasting the address, as you can see, it automatically detected our deposit network, which was Bitcoin. Now just simply write down the withdrawal amount you want to transfer Binance to BingX. So just write down the amount in Bitcoin. After writing down the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer, tap on withdraw. Now then you have to confirm your transaction, and after a few moments or maybe an hour or maybe 2 hours, you will receive the confirmation email that you have successfully transferred your Bitcoin from Binance to BingX account, and that's how you can easily buy and deposit Bitcoin in your BingX. So I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe this channel.